Follow these steps to search meme on Reddit. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You can use the Reddit search bar, where you can use relevant keywords in the search bar such as funny memes, dank memes, wholesome memes, or gaming memes. On the basis of that, you're gonna find tons of meme options. You can scroll down and go through the memes. Next, browse meme subreddits. Here are some popular meme subreddits: R memes, R dank memes, wholesome memes, gaming memes. These are the subreddits related to general memes, edgy and absurd memes, uplifting and positive memes, relatable memes, video game related memes, anime memes. Also, you can filter these by relevance and time duration. Following these steps, you can search for meme on Reddit. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.